it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for us, if I can pick it up, a Superdrug haul. So yes, I've got a box full of goodies to go through from Superdrug today. So without further ado, let's delve into my box of goodies. The box, by the way, it is big, but it is largely like mostly paper. Just to pack it out. I think I've got one biggish item that they obviously couldn't get in other boxes. Okay, then we will start with the big item. It is a bath brush. I have just recently thrown one out that I got from Primark last year, I think it was. It was just looking a little bit worse for wear because I'd left it in the shower. So I wanted a new one. And this one was $6.99 and it's a brush, but then it also on the other side has these little bobbly bits. So this was actually an offer. There still is at the moment, hopefully it's still on as you're watching this, an offer on accessories and things from Superdrug that is buy one, get one half price. So like I said, this was £6.99. Like I said, it's just really useful to kind of exfoliate the skin, give yourself a little massage, I suppose. And with it being so long, it means I could do my back and things as well with it. So that's really useful. And to be honest, I wasn't really even bothered about this bit. The other one that was just the brush bit was out of stock. So I got this one, and it was only £1 extra to be fair. Then next then on that buy one get one half price, I got myself a pack of hair slides. They're just really nice, kind of something that you can kind of use to just spruce up your hair and spice up your hair, I think I was trying to say there. These were £5.99, but again, they were on that buy one get one half price offer. So, you know, they made them a little bit cheaper. Okay, the next thing that I got might not be fit for purpose, to be honest. I got myself a wash bag. It was just 99 pence and it's pink with polka dots. So it's something I can use. What I was maybe hoping for, because I didn't really have any idea of size on the website, so I just thought I'd order it for 99 pence. It was gonna be like something to keep in my bag to put masks in and things, but I think I've actually since found something on my Revolution haul recently, so that I might use instead. So I don't know what I'll do with this. Bags are always useful, but maybe I'll put it aside for a giveaway or something, because like I say, I don't know if it's what I need now. Okay, next thing, and these have become a staple on the Superdrug hauls recently. I don't know why. I bought some hand wash. Again, I know I do have enough at the moment, but it's always good to have like backups and things. But these were only 48 pence. 48 pence, down from £1. But so both of them cost me less than it would have cost for a full size one. They are full size. What am I talking about? Full priced one. So yeah, 48 pence. So I just thought it was something good to have in. I do like the Superdrug hand wash. This is their moisture one, and it's just, again, something that we need, isn't it? Okay, next I picked up another favourite of mine. I got myself some of the Simple Kind of Skin eye makeup remover. This is my favourite eye makeup remover. I think it does an amazing job, I really do. And this was on offer. It was on they had a better than half price off of Simple products. So these are usually £3.79 each, but I got them for just £1.85 each. So not bad at all. Like I say, I love this. Next, I picked up something for my hair. I got this John Frieda Go Blonder Controlled Lightening Spray. This was on offer. It was a third off. It was £4.66. I just kind of wanted it because in the winter, my hair gets a bit darker. I don't dye my hair. This is just what it does. It gets lighter with the sun and things, but in the winter it goes darker and I'm starting to feel like I'm growing roots. So I just thought this might be a good one to kind of just have a little spritz on the top and just try and even it out really, because I am kind of aware that it looks a bit darker up top at the moment. So just anything to help really, isn't it? And this was a third off. Okay, the next things that I got then were, right, this is gonna be no surprise to anybody. I picked up some Revolution stuff. These are the last bits of the haul. There was a 20%, I think it was, off Revolution products and a 3 for 2. So I just picked up some bits as I needed it. I got myself one of their oil control setting sprays, the Matte Fix. It is known, I think, as a Pro Fix on their website. It's the same thing. They just changed the packaging and the name for some reason. But I really, really like this stuff. I genuinely think it makes my makeup stay on longer, and I just really, really like it. So I wanted to pick myself up one so that I've got one for when the one I'm currently using runs out. So this is £5.99 usually, but I got it for, I think it was like £4.79 with the money off, and then there was the whole 3 for 2 thing, so you know it was a bit cheaper. Okay, the next thing that I got and the last thing on this haul then are 2 concealers. I got their Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C5. These are just the smaller ones, but they were on offer. So I thought, yeah, well, why not while it's on offer? So these are usually £4.99, but they were down to £3.99, and then again on that 3 for 2. So it meant that basically one of these was free. Again, this is just my favourite concealer. I love this. I use this and their foundation every time I put my makeup on. This is my go-to stuff. It's amazing. It lasts really, really well, and it covers fantastically. So I really, really, really like it. And you know me and Revolution. I love them. Okay guys, so that is this month's Superdrug haul. It's not a massive one, didn't really need a lot, but this is what I got. So drop me a comment and let me know what you think of what I picked up this month. Let me know if you've seen anything at Superdrug that I should look out for. Remember, the Star Buys change every Wednesday and they are always worth having a little look at. I don't think I picked up anything from the Star Buys, but they are always worth having a look at because you do get some really good deals on there. And they're doing lots of deals on the run up for Christmas as well, so Superdrug's always worth a little look. Anyway guys, if you've liked today's video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I've got videos like this all the time. I try to do a Superdrug haul every month. I've got various other hauls and unboxings and bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel, you'll get the idea. And until my next video guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.